Hello everyone, this is Carol. In the previous videos, we have learned many text effects. And today, I will take you through creating a dual color text motion effect. Just follow steps in the video, and you can quickly achieve it. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it, use the link in the description box down below to get it for free. Click here to create a new text layer. Enter the desired text. And then, click here to modify the font. For the font size, I'm using 200. Scroll down to find shadow and adjust it to 0. Then, adjust the position of the text. After that, click here to save a screenshot. Next, delete all the text and save a screenshot of the black background. Then, delete the text layer on the timeline. Now import both images into VideoProc Vlogger. Place the text image on the main track and the black image on the overlay track. Adjust the position and scale of the black image to cover some letters. Take screenshots sequentially. I will do a quick edit here. Alright, now we have a set of images. Import them all into VideoProc Vlogger. If we directly place the image on the timeline, the duration is 5 seconds, which is not what we want. In Settings, find Photo Duration and change it to 0.034. Now, place the text in the main track in the order of the screenshots. Let's play and see. The text now has a sequential appearance, but there's a pause effect in the sample. So we can elongate the frame where the first word appears, and the following frame by about 5 frames. Let's play and see. Well, now there is a pause effect. Then, extend the duration of the last frame according to your needs. I will make it around 5 seconds. Click here to export the video. Next, delete the materials on the timeline and place the exported video on the main track. And then, let's create a blue text part. Click on Color. Adjust the color temperature and hue to turn the text yellow. Then, in HSL, select yellow and adjust the hue until color turns blue. Increase contrast a little bit. And click Apply. The text is now blue. Drag another copy of the exported video to the overlay track. In Inspector, select the Hide Alignment. Scroll down to Blending Mode and change it to Lighten. Now the text has no change. Just move the video on the overlay track 2 frames backward. Let's play and see. Well, not bad. Click here to export the video as a file material. Now, place the background video on the main track. Then where you want the text to appear, put Exported on the overlay track. In Color, slightly increase contrast. Select the Hide Alignment in Inspector. And find the Blending mode, choose Lighten. if you want a more dynamic effect, click on Motion. Add a keyframe at the starting position. Adjust the display area size. And move it to the left. Then, at the position where the first letter fully appears, add a second keyframe. Move the display area to the right and change speed transition to speed down. Next, before the second letter appears, add a third keyframe. And at a position where the letter fully appears, add the last keyframe and restore the display area. Similarly, change speed transition to speed down. Click Apply. Now play and see the effect. Not bad. That's all for today's video. Try it out for yourself. And if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!